Have you ever felt that steady monthly affiliate income was a total myth? You know, a fairy tale sold by gurus posing with rented Lamborghinis. Maybe your own dashboard is the sad proof. You might have a great month and see a few $100s, then bam, back to nearly nothing. It can be a soul-crushing cycle of chasing one-off sales that just makes you feel like you're running in place. It's easy to burn out creating content for an income that disappears the next month. You might be this close to quitting, totally convinced that real, predictable, passive income from affiliate marketing is just a pipe dream for a regular person. That all changes with a huge realization. Stop promoting every random thing you can find. Instead, it's about discovering a very specific type of affiliate program, the kind that doesn't just pay you once for a sale, it pays you again and again and again. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the exact programs that can help you build a reliable monthly income. These are the ones that pay out like clockwork, and we're going to show you how you can get started with them today, even if you're a total beginner. Before dropping the list, it's crucial to understand the game-changing shift in thinking that makes all the difference. Stop obsessing over one-time sales and go all in on building a predictable, compounding income stream. This is the critical difference between spinning on the affiliate marketing hamster wheel and building a real, sustainable online business. The secret? Recurring commissions. So many affiliate programs, especially when it comes to physical products, just pay you once. You recommend something, someone goes and buys it, and you get a small cut. And that's it. Your income statement resets to zero every single month. And honestly, you're right back on that content creation treadmill, hunting for new customers just to stay afloat. But there's a special class of affiliate programs, mostly in the software and digital services world, that are built on subscriptions. And, well, their affiliate programs are too. When you refer a customer, you don't just get paid once. You actually get a piece of that customer's subscription payment for as long as they stay a customer. Sometimes it's for a year, and sometimes it's for the lifetime of that customer. Think about that for a second. One good recommendation, just a single piece of content you've created, could actually pay you every single month for years. That's not just a sale. You've created an asset. In your first month, maybe you get 10 sign-ups. The next month, you're not starting from zero. You start with the income from those first 10, and then you add more on top. This is how your income stacks up and really truly compounds over time. Now here is the most important piece of advice in this entire video. This is the golden rule. Affiliate programs can and do change their terms. The commission rates and payment structures I'm about to share are based on what these programs have offered in the past and what makes their model so brilliant. But you absolutely must do your own homework. Before you promote anything, go directly to their official partner page and verify the current commission structure. Think of this video as your treasure map, but at the end of the day, it's on you to take that final step and confirm what's actually in the chest. A smart affiliate is an informed affiliate. All right, with that golden rule in mind, let's get into the programs built to pay you month after month. These have been hand-picked because they're in high-demand niches, have rock-solid reputations, and are perfect examples of the recurring commission model. Program number 1, ActiveCampaign. First up is a titan in email marketing and automation, ActiveCampaign. This is way more than just an email tool. It's a complete customer experience platform that businesses use for everything from newsletters to complex sales funnels. So who's this for? It's perfect if your audience is made up of entrepreneurs, small business owners, marketers, or anyone who wants to automate how they talk to their customers. The need for email marketing never goes away, which means customers tend to stick around for a long time. Now, let's talk commissions. ActiveCampaign's partner program has historically been very attractive, with recurring commissions that can start at 20% and climb to 30% based on performance. Some current terms state the commission lasts for up to 12 months for each referral. It's the kind of sticky B2B tool that can build a very stable income stream. Always check their partner page for the latest tiers and terms, but this recurring model is what makes it a powerhouse. A super simple way to promote this is with a tutorial. Think how to create an automated welcome series for new customers using ActiveCampaign. You give away real value and naturally position the tool as the perfect solution. Next is a platform that has absolutely blown up, especially with content creators, beehiiv. It's a newsletter platform designed for growth, giving creators awesome tools to monetize their audience. If your audience includes writers, YouTubers, podcasters, or anyone trying to build and monetize a community, beehiiv is a fantastic fit. You're not just selling software, you're selling a pathway to independence for other creators. The beehiiv Partner Program is famous for being incredibly generous. They have offered tiered structures where you can earn a hefty recurring commission, starting at 50% and going up to 60% for the first 12 months of a referral subscription. They've also been known to offer double-sided rewards where your referral gets a discount, which makes converting them even easier. As always, their terms can and do change, so verify the exact percentages and duration on their site. A killer promotion strategy is a comparison video, like beehiiv versus Substack in 2026, which is actually better for making money. This makes you the expert and grabs people who are already trying to make a decision. Let's talk SEO. Phrasee.io is an AI-powered tool that helps content creators and SEO pros research, write, and optimize content that ranks on Google. In a world where content is king, a tool that gives you a competitive edge is pure gold. This is a perfect program to promote if you talk about blogging, SEO, content marketing, or building an online business. Your audience is actively searching for ways to get more traffic, and Phrase is a direct answer to that problem. The Phrase affiliate program has been known to offer a solid 30% recurring commission for the first 12 months of a customer's subscription. They even offer higher tiers of 35% or 40% for top-performing partners. Plus, they've offered a generous 60-day cookie window, which gives you plenty of time to get credit for the sale. While these exact terms can evolve, the core idea, a recurring commission on a high-value SEO tool, is what you should be looking for. To promote Phrase, try a case study video, how to write a blog post that ranked #1 on Google using AI. Walk people through the exact process, showing how Phrase was the secret weapon for research and optimization. It's a powerful results-first approach. Staying on the AI train, we have Writesonic. This is an AI writing assistant that helps with literally everything from Facebook ads and landing pages to full-length blog posts. The demand for AI writing tools is absolutely massive, and it's not slowing down. This program is great for a huge audience: marketers, students, bloggers, freelancers, agencies. Anyone creating content online can get a ton of value from a tool like Writesonic. The Writesonic affiliate program is a fantastic example of a long-term play. It has been known to offer a 30% recurring commission for the lifetime of the customer. Let that sink in for a minute. Every single person you refer who keeps their subscription becomes a source of truly passive long-term income. The cookie duration is often around 30 days, which is pretty standard. As with the others, confirm the current terms, but a lifetime recurring model is a huge green flag. A brilliant way to promote this is to target a specific need. For example, a video titled "How to Write High-Converting Facebook Ads in 5 Minutes with AI," where you showcase Writesonic as the tool that makes it all possible. Every business and creator needs to manage their social media, which is exactly why a tool like SocialPilot is so valuable. It's a social media scheduling and analytics tool that helps people save time and boost their engagement. This is a great choice if your audience is made up of social media managers, small business owners, marketing agencies, or content creators. You're solving one of their biggest headaches, the endless time suck of juggling multiple social media accounts. SocialPilot's affiliate program has offered a recurring commission, with some sources stating 30% and others 20%. Most agree this commission lasts for the first year of the subscription. They have also been known for a solid 90-day cookie window, giving your audience plenty of time to decide. A 20 to 30% commission on a sticky business tool like this can add up to an incredibly stable income. To promote SocialPilot, you could film a day in the life of a social media manager video, showing exactly how to use the tool to schedule an entire week of content in just 1 hour. This is practical, aspirational, and perfectly shows off the product's value. Okay, now you have a list of powerful, recurring affiliate programs. The most important thing you can do right now is to avoid getting stuck in analysis paralysis. Don't just save this video for later and forget about it. The only way to build passive income is to take action. Here's your first step. Pick the one that makes the most sense for your audience and your content. Go read their terms, understand their commission model, and apply to their program. And if you want to build a real affiliate income system, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This channel is always sharing what's working right now. Finally, a question for you. Which of these programs are you most excited to check out? Or do you have a favorite recurring program that was missed? Drop a comment below. It's a great way for all of us to find new opportunities, and we try to read and reply to as many as possible. For years, many affiliates have thought the secret to affiliate marketing was finding some magic product or having a massive audience. But they're wrong. The secret isn't about being a marketing genius or having millions of followers. It's about changing your strategy. It's about focusing on the right kind of products, the ones that are designed to build a predictable compounding income stream for you. You don't need to chase 1,000 different one-off sales. You just need to successfully promote a handful of high-quality, subscription-based products to the right people. One great tutorial, one honest review, one valuable piece of content can become a true asset that pays you for months or even years into the future. Hopefully this list provides a clear roadmap to start building a more reliable and truly passive income. You have the knowledge. Now go take action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.